By now you've probably noticed our slogan, Max Your Encap. Well, in this episode of Encap TV, I'm going to share with you what that means and how it can benefit you in your commercial carpet cleaning business. So stick around and we're going to get to the bottom of Max Your Encap. Before I get started on how maxing your Encap benefits you in your business, I would like to take you back to where it all began. I started cleaning commercial carpet way back in 1983. Back in 1983, it was a different world. We didn't have the internet. We didn't have any way of really doing good research. So I'd go to my IICRC instructors into the industry to try to figure out how to successfully clean commercial carpet. It was frustrating. I tried everything because really that's what they would tell me to do. Try this, try that, try this, try that. So I tried basically everything that was on the market and tried to educate myself on how to be a successful commercial carpet cleaner because I wanted a systemized business that could provide duplicatable results with my technicians out there cleaning commercial carpet. Frankly though, I ran into a lot of challenges because let's face it, commercial glue down carpet can be problematic. There's no airflow, it produces wicking, recurring spills. So back in those days, there weren't good answers. Well, lo and behold, around 2000, I finally stumbled upon this newly emerging technology of crystallizing encapsulation technology. Took it with the old Cymex machine that had been around since the 30s, and it's kind of like the Reese's peanut butter cup. By putting the peanut butter and the chocolate together, we came up with something great. And that's what happened. So right around 2000, I stumbled into that, and I began to share what I learned with people on now the internet was around, and so on the carpet cleaning message boards talked about it. Then I partnered with a really sharp chemist and some good chemical people to develop the Release It line, and slowly we emerged Excellent Supply. So around 2002 now, about 17 years ago, Excellent Supply and Release It came onto the scene. So I start there to help you see where I came from. 36 years of cleaning commercial carpet, 17 years of running Excellent Supply and the Release It product line, and that's where we're coming from when we talk about maxing your Encap, and that's what we can bring to you here at Excellent Supply. We take those years of experience and in fact our day-to-day dealing with customers that are primarily focused on commercial carpet cleaning, and that's what we mean when we say, let us help you max your Encap. Here at Excellent Supply, our focus is on commercial carpet cleaning products. Now, that's not to say that we don't also spill over into residential as well, but the primary focus is commercial. So the equipment that we carry, the chemicals that we carry, the product line that we carry has been handpicked so that you can be as successful as possible dealing with commercial carpet. And so to that end, we'd like to partner with you. That's our angle with Max Your Encap. Think of us as your commercial carpet cleaning partner. We're here to help you each step of the way. So if you've got questions about equipment, for example, let's say you've just got a machine that's out there making a weird sound, contact us. We're here to help you. So whether it's repairing equipment, purchasing new equipment, our focus is how to get the best out of your commercial equipment so that you can go out there and make money. Also, when it comes to our cleaning agents, the products we carry are specifically designed for commercial. So again, if you need help when it comes to chemistry, reach out to us. We're here to help you be successful with your commercial carpet cleaning. If you need help when it comes to cleaning techniques, you got questions about how to actually perform a particular cleaning function, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. If you have business related questions, how to grow your business, how to get new business, put my 36 years of experience to work for you. Again, all of these pieces come together to help you become more successful in your commercial carpet cleaning business, and that's what we're talking about here with Max Your Encap. We want to become your commercial partners. Please feel free to reach out to us here at Excellent Supply. My staff and I are here to support you and help you grow your commercial business. You can call us Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30 Eastern. Our number here at Excellent Supply is 727-821-2020. You can also email us with any support questions you have at sales@excellent-supply.com. And we have a text line, which is also great. For example, if you're out in the field and you're having a problem with a piece of equipment or a question on a job, you can take pictures and send them to us, text back and forth. Our text line number is 727-645-0636. And we also have this YouTube channel here, Encap TV, with plenty of material that will help you grow your commercial business. Hopefully all of this will come together to help you max your Encap. So again, we want to help you grow your commercial business, partner with you, and take you to the next level when it comes to commercial carpet cleaning. Thank you for watching this episode of Encap TV. Please share your comments below, hit the like button or subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.